If you've ever tried cooking with stainless steel and ended up with eggs glued to the pan or steak stuck to the bottom, you already know the learning curve can be frustrating. But when stainless steel is properly designed and heated, it can become one of the most versatile pieces of cookware in your kitchen. The Ewfen Tri-Ply frying pan set aims to make that experience easier with 3 different sizes and a construction built for even heating. This set includes 8, 10, and 12-inch frying pans, making it a practical option for everyone from solo cooks to families who need different pan sizes throughout the day. The pans are PFOA and PTFE free, work across different stovetops, and can also go into the oven. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The biggest selling point here is the tri-ply construction. Instead of relying on a single layer of metal, the pans combine a 304 stainless steel interior, an aluminum core, and a 430 stainless steel exterior. In simple terms, that aluminum layer helps spread heat more evenly, while the stainless steel surfaces provide the durability and cooking characteristics people expect from stainless cookware. The result is a pan designed to heat across more of the cooking surface rather than concentrating all the heat directly over the burner. That's useful when you're searing meat, sautéing vegetables, or cooking multiple ingredients at once. The mirror finish exterior also gives the pans a clean, polished appearance. Although stainless steel does naturally show fingerprints, water spots, and cooking marks over time. The handles are another thoughtful part of the design. They're built with a hollow construction intended to reduce heat transfer, while the ergonomic shape gives you a more comfortable grip when moving a full pan around. The detachable handle design can also make storage more convenient, particularly if cabinet space is limited. In everyday cooking, these pans are at their best when you use the right heat. Stainless steel isn't naturally non-stick, so you can't treat it exactly like a coated skillet. Starting with an appropriate preheat, adding oil at the right time, and avoiding excessive heat can make a huge difference. For delicate foods like eggs, lower heat is the better approach, while medium to medium-high heat can be more appropriate for general cooking and searing. Another advantage is versatility. These pans are designed for gas, electric, glass, and other common stovetops, so you don't have to replace your cookware if you change cooking setups. They're also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-safe, which is convenient after a particularly messy meal. There are some trade-offs, though. Stainless steel requires a little more technique than traditional non-stick cookware, especially if you're new to it. Food can stick if the pan is overheated, underheated, or used without enough fat. And while dishwasher compatibility makes cleanup easier, frequent dishwasher use can eventually affect the polished appearance. Compared with inexpensive single-layer stainless steel pans, the Ewfen set has an advantage in heat distribution because of its tri-ply construction, compared with premium stainless steel brands. Though, the real question is how much you're willing to spend for refinements in construction, finish, and long-term reputation. For someone wanting multiple sizes without buying 3 separate pans, this set offers a practical middle ground. Overall, the Ewfen Tri-Ply set makes the most sense for cooks who want durable stainless steel cookware without relying on traditional non-stick coatings. The 3 sizes cover a wide range of meals, the pans work across different cooktops, and the oven-safe construction adds flexibility. If you're ready to learn a little stainless steel technique and want a versatile set that can handle everyday cooking, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.